The boots are only $22 and they work 50.
Guys.
And then I'll order the shirt. I want that splattered outfit though. I can't find it online. I can't find it online. We have to go to the store to get it. But it's 40% off, so we should go get it, I think.
When do you want to go and get it?
I don't know. I have to see how much this comes out to. This should only be like $30 for a pair of boots and the shirt because I used that coupon and it was already 40% off. So the boots only came to $22. Your dad's gonna be so happy.
Working. My sister might join. Probably not. Are you, Brianna? Huh? Are you gonna play the next one or am I doing? Well, right now, I'm gonna make some stuff. And I'll see you guys after that. Then I'll show you guys. Okay, back, guys. And I made my things. So, first, I have
For basketball.
I have my penguin. That's probably Arian.
It's too cold to be outside.
Oh, it's CNN Daisy. Outside.
And
Sorry to scare you now. Detective Wilson, NYPD. Searching for every man who's wife.
Mom, I want to see if I can play at Sienna's house. Right outside.
You ain't gonna get your hair lined up?
no.
Come on.
Hi, Daddy.
How about you? Come on, Daddy. Let's go. Come on, man.
Okay. Then four leaf clover.
I think this one's on the splatter.
And then
The splatter leggings are $16.50. They're not on sale right now.
Oh, they're not?